So Eric, we've been hearing a lot about WinFX. What do you recommend developers can do today to prepare for it?
Well, I think if you're using managed code today with the .NET framework, you'll be very comfortable with WinFX going forward. And that's really one of the key things. Start managed code development today for your new applications. As you integrate new features into your existing code base, take advantage of the framework capabilities that are shipping today that are available in WIDBE. There's a lot of material on MSDN and the Longhorn Dev Center about the WinFX class libraries. You've got the chart. Familiarize yourself with the part of the namespaces that are important to you.
And so how have you focused on developer productivity with WIDBE?
Well, I think we showed a tremendous number of productivity features in WIDBE this morning at the demo. Everything from the snippet enhancements and the new IntelliSense features and the debugging and deployment. We get a lot of suggestions from developers on how to enhance the IDEs, and I think we've done a great job.
So security is obviously a huge issue for Microsoft and everybody in computing these days. What sort of enhancements have you made for developers with security in WIDBE?
Security is super important, and it is super top of mind for us. Part of it is prescriptive guidance and teaching people how to write secure code, and the materials that we gave out today and will continue to give out prescriptive guidance. Part of it is the tool support. So we've taken a major decision to take the technology that we use internally to do static analysis in our code and to productize it. And so you'll actually see that technology delivered in WIDBE. You'll see new compiler options for checking your code, new enhancements to GS. And so a combination of tools and methodology and really respecting the need to deliver secure code should help developers quite a bit in this regard.
Great, Eric. Thanks so much.
Thanks, Erica.
So you've been focusing on Yukon for a while now. What would you say are its most important features?
For developers, I think the most exciting feature in Yukon is what we've done with the .NET frameworks. Being able to build their apps the same way they build them on the web services or on the client inside the database is going to be one of the most compelling features we have for developers.
What do you personally find most exciting about WinFS?
The thing I can't wait to do with WinFS is to move it from my test machine to my own personal machine. And I know we're still a ways away from doing that, but frankly, it's the way that I'm going to manage my own information, and I'm incredibly excited about being able to use it to manage all of the data that comes onto my own machine.
What sort of advice would you offer developers? What's the best way they can prepare for Yukon?
The best thing to do with Yukon is start to get your apps running on top of Yukon. Get involved with Microsoft. We really want to have thousands of apps certified on Yukon by the time it ships. You'll hear the Yukon to Send program. This is all about how ISVs can get a closer relationship with Microsoft and get their apps up and running and give them the help that they need to get certified on top of Yukon.
Great. Gord, thanks very much.
Great, thank you.